Problem 12. How many 3-digit positive integers n satisfy the following properties? The number n is divisible by 7. The number formed by reversing the digits of n is divisible by 5. Okay, so the reverse of n is divisible by 5. What does that tell us? That means, okay, so we have 3 digits, right? Let's say the digits are like 1. Okay, let's just say we have 3 digits, for example, like 1, 3, 6. Let's say this is n, and if we reverse the digits of n, which turns into 6, 3, 1, and it has to be divided by 5, which means this digit here must either be 0 or 5. So that means our n number, the first digit, or the hundredths digit, has to be 0 or 5. And it has to be 5 because if it's 0, then it turns into a 2-digit number. Okay, now we know our n number has to start with a 5, and then two other numbers. And we're told the number n is divisible by 5. So this number here has to be, okay, so this number here has to be divisible by 7. Okay, so then we know the smallest possible. Okay, so if we have like, let's try 72 times 7. Okay, what does that give us? That gives us 14, 50. So which means our smallest multiple of 7 that starts with a 5 is going to be 507, right? And then let's try test out values to find the biggest possible into 3-digit integer that is divisible by 7 and starts with a 5. So let's try. So 85 times 7, that gives us 35. Okay, so 85 times 7 gives 595, and that's clearly the biggest integer possible, because if we add another 7, we would get 602, and that would no longer start with a 5. So so basically it's going to be all the integers from 72 to 85 inclusive. So our answer is just going to be 85 minus 72 plus 1, which gives us 14. So answer is B.